Hi there, welcome back to my channel, a little bit about everything. Today is November 5th, we're Sunday, this is in the morning. I started a little project a long time ago, oh not a long time ago actually, like 4 or 5 videos back, maybe 6, and it was a small coffee table that I made, a floating top coffee table. There's a link up ahead if you want to click on it. You can see the video. It's in 3 parts. And what I'm doing now is actually putting on the finishing touches to that project. I'm applying some stain and some polyurethane. Actually, at this point in time, I've already at the stage of applying the final coats of polyurethane. But I'll show you the products that I use and how they should be used. Okay? Okay, so I'm using a MINWAX product, okay, and this is the system they got. Okay, first you start off with the pre-stain or wood conditioner. Okay, it helps wood absorb stain evenly. Then once you've finished with that, you jump over to the stain. And I'm using a wood finish penetrating stain, Sedona Red 222. Okay, and then after that stage you apply the fast drying polyurethane. I'm using a semi-gloss. It also comes in gloss. I'm not using gloss because I don't want it to be the center of attention in the room. I'm using a semi-gloss for it to be practical and protected. Okay. This product you can apply with a brush. As I have here, I have a bristle brush. And at the moment, it's soaking in lacquer thinner. I'm removing some polyurethane on there. Okay. And then you don't have to wait. Once this is applied, you can jump over to here, but you have to apply the stain within 2 hours after applying this. Now, the stain, you apply with a brush or a foam brush, okay, and you're going to put it in 2 coats, okay. I use 2 coats on there. You apply it on first, and after 15 minutes you wipe it off with a rag. Okay, a clean rag with no particles, dust particles in it, right? A lint-free rag. And you can apply the second coat within 4 to 6 hours. And you gotta let that dry 8 hours afterwards. Then you can apply your polyurethane. Okay, and your polyurethane you put on a very thin coat, first coat, and you let it dry 4 to 6 hours, and then you go over it with a light sandpaper, and they recommend a 220 grit. Which is, this is a 220 grit. Okay, this is actually I think it's Gator. Okay, it's for an orbital sander. And then you reapply your second coat. And if you need a third coat, you do so as well. But this, yeah, you do your coats as well. And you clean your brush like that with lacquer thinner, or I think it says you can use Verisol, but I'm using lacquer thinner. Okay. You can use that to clean your spray guns as well. Oh, and this product, since it's not a spray product, stir only, don't shake, because you'll get bubbles in it. When you're applying your stain, buff it in there, let it set, it's not fussy, then you wipe it off with a cloth. Let it dry for I think it's 2 to 6 hours, I'm not sure. And then you can apply your second coat, buff it off, let it dry for 8. And then you put on your final coat, your polyurethane. But your polyurethane, you're going to get it all wet, and then even strokes all the way through with the grain. And don't leave anything dripping off the edge, because it's going to show. Same thing with this piece, got it all wet, long strokes, right? And you try to go around the edges and don't leave any droplets, because they're going to create runs. Okay, so that was just a very short video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.